Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight ETFs with standout performance. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering the YieldMax Gold Miners Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker GDXY, an actively managed fund providing indirect exposure to the Van Eck Gold Miners ETF, GDX, through a synthetic covered call strategy designed for high current income and weekly distributions. 2025 has been exceptional. GDXY posted year-to-date total returns exceeding 90%, including dividends, fueled by the gold mining sector rally and soaring precious metals prices. The ETF boasts an impressive distribution yield around 48%, with payments often weekly. Just this week on December 24th, YieldMax announced the latest distribution, including a notable portion from option premiums as shares trade near $17 close to recent highs. While the options strategy caps upside in strong rallies, it delivers substantial income in this bullish environment. High yield gold play worth considering? Share your thoughts below. Buy, hold, or diversify. Like for more ETF insights, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.